friends in Whitey all over the world. Please welcome back to my channel. Good evening. Please listen my song, Friends in Whitey. Big love shout out to my team. I only live to love you. Love you until forever. Day after day, year after year, for always we will journey together. I only live to love you, with my dreams beside you. We smile after smile, tear after tear, in shadow or in sunshine, my love will guide you. When there are clouds above, if I have you to love, why do I care if you are there? For when you came away, there was no yesterday, only tomorrow with you. Here is my hand to lead you, are my arms that need you. Only live for your love, for my love will be your love, now and forever. Please stay guys more. Thank you. Na guys, try natin ito. Can't be with you tonight. Oh yeah. Mega love shout out, Friends in Whitey. If my love wasn't here with me tonight, I would live with you for just a little while. But I love him the same way as I love you now. And I'm sorry I can't be with you tonight. Though I want to hold you in my arms tonight, I wouldn't take the chance, 'cause it won't be right. Maybe when we meet again some other time, 'cause tonight I only share my love with him. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be into your blessings at the same time, believe me, I will share my love with you. Bigyan lang shout out sa ating mga kaibigan dyan. Miss Steve. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be into your blessings at the same time, believe me, I will share my love with you. Believe me, I will share my love with you. Last song guys, last song. This is Stay. Hello guys. All day I'm walking in a dream. I think about you constantly. Just like an ever-flowing stream, your memory haunts me constantly. Shadows fall and I try to drive you from my mind, so you're no longer near to me. But my heart sees you there with me. Every sunset you share with me. The rain that patters through the trees reminds me of you constantly. Your name is whispered by the breeze, and lovebirds bring your song to me. Just as the stars keep burning from the skies, your love will stay aflame in me. A flame that burns so bright, not only through the night, but